Hello, my friend. You in the channel The Knitting Room, and I am Lena. And I want you show my new jumper, my new work with new pattern. It's very cozy, very big jumper, but it's very puffy and very cozy and warm. And now I show you. I was knitting only 5 or 6 days, very fast. How is your opinion? Not bad? I very like it, it's very cozy sweater. And you can watch all process this sweater in my channel, and I wait your like and subscribe. Goodbye. It's ready, very big and very huge, but it's very nice, what I want. And the next step is knitting the sleeve.